Santosh Parikh. I want to ask the question. The VHP stands there and says, चंपत राय के बारे में जो लोग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं वो अपने गरेबा में झांक कर देखें। हम पूछ रहे हैं सवाल, हमने अपनी गरेबा में झांक लिया है। हमने तो कुछ नहीं किया, हमने तो बहुत कोशिश की कि देखें कैसे ये बढ़े। और एट अ पर्सनल लेवल, families after families have donated and wanted this Ram Mandir to become a reality. हम पूछ रहे हैं सवाल, we are asking the question, why should Champat Rai not be made accountable? After all, 3rd or 4th of June is when he got to know. 5th of June CCTV footage says that he went to an accused house, recovered 58 lakhs from his house and some more money through bank transfers, which means something wrong had happened. Some money was recovered. How does he know that this is the full money that had been taken away? There could be more, there could be other people. Why was an FIR not registered on that day? Why was he giving a statement on the 7th of June saying कि ऐसी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है? Why was he wishing it away? Why should questions not be asked of Champat Rai?
Thank you so much, Nabika, for having me on your show, and thank you so much for starting with me. Well, I think you misquoted the word. Nobody has said अपने गिरिबान में जाकर देख लीजिए. That is total misinterpretation. I challenge with the facts. If you have anyone saying अपने गिरिबान में जाकर देख लीजिए, please do let me know, and we will make it counter facts. Coming on the second point, why we are too much eager of knowing the facts before SIT get it investigated, or before the investigation agency get it investigated properly? What is the manner and what is the hasten way to get everything concluded before the investigation gets concluded? With all due respect, Nabika, it's a very prime show and a very respectful show. With all due respect, a CCTV footage was very much widened few days back. It was recovered after the investigation that the video shows of 2025 of Karnataka temple, not of Ram Mandir, Ayodhya. I believe the footage which is there in media right now will be taken into SIT, by taken into investigation. The FSL will be done. What is there in back? Who was doing what? Why he was doing what? Why police was there? Everything will be taken into consideration. Now, when I say even consideration, the people who are recently got arrested got few recoveries, maybe or maybe not, but everything. So I believe, rather than jumping on a conclusive statement to make someone an accused and to leave others as a scot free, I believe we should trust on the SIT and investigation agency. So I think it's very early to say why FIR not been filed. If definitely anyone being
I'll just interrupt you for a minute, Amitosh ji, because I want you to hear what the VHP has officially said.
Please.
And please, ये शब्दों पर गौर फरमाइएगा, सुनिए.
Please.
The trust requested the Chief Minister to appoint an SIT. When the SIT members reached Ayodhya, Champat ji said, "Start your interrogation with me." A comprehensive investigation has been requested. The trustees of Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra are equally anxious for an honest inquiry.
चंपत राय जी ने इस्तीफा अपने आप दिया है, उनके नैतिक दायित्व बनता था, उसे उन्होंने स्वीकार किया, और वो लोग जो चंपत राय जी के ऊपर प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो अपनी गिरेबान में झांक कर देखें.
मुझे हिंदी भी समझ आती है, अंग्रेजी भी समझ आती है,
please,
थोड़ी बहुत उर्दू, थोड़ी बंगाली, थोड़ी मराठी.
मेरे को भी
आपको किस भाषा में आपको बताऊं उन्होंने क्या कहा?
मुझे उर्दू समझ नहीं आती, मुझे उर्दू नहीं आती.
हाँ,
क्यों नहीं आती भाई?
कोई बात नहीं.
So definitely it's a quite challenging source. The people who are raising questions on Champat Rai, is it I have to respond or should I be waiting?
Yes, please.
Okay, the people who are raising questions on Champat Rai ji, the people who are raising questions on targeting people or making few people who are considered to be an accused, those people who were suddenly started defaming Ram Janmabhoomi are now very much silent when it comes to Krishna Janmabhoomi. Those people who politicizing Ram Janmabhoomi are
Please
very
don't
much silent
deflect,
when it comes to
Amitosh
other
ji.
pictures
With
of
due
the
respect to
Sabrimala
you,
temple
do
or
not
the
deflect.
Ayyappa temple.
आपने मुझसे पूछा कि गिरेबान में झांक कर पूछने वाली बात किसी ने नहीं की, मैंने आपको सुनवा दिया. And I am not among those who is deflecting here or there or raised questions before or after. मेरा कार सेवक से भी कोई ऐसा रिश्ता नहीं है जिस पर आप सवाल. मैं सवाल पूछ रही हूं चंपत राय का, आप जवाब
अच्छी
दें.
बात है.
Tell me why he should not be accountable. Please tell me.
Your fourth pillar, you have right to ask. So if you have any source of accountability subject to Champat Rai, please go to the SIT investigation agency and give your proofs to them.
Fantastic.
Why are you just asking us that whether Champat Rai is
Fantastic.
accountable or not? If you have any proof,
तो
you are very much
तो
welcome
फिर
to go and give
वीएचपी
it
ऐसा
evidences.
क्यों कह रही है कि अपने गिरेबा में झांक कर देखिए आनंद रंगनाथन? That is my problem. My problem is that there has been chanda chori. My problem is that if there were trustees and the general secretary of the trustees who got to know about this on the 4th of June, they went and did some self-investigation on the 5th of June, got money recovered and tried to brush it under the carpet, and on 7th of June gave a statement कि ऐसा कुछ बड़ा नहीं हुआ है. I want to ask you, should they have registered an FIR, and is that something that stands in the way of probity?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. I'll be very brief because there are other people who need to speak. I will just lay out a couple of points with as much clarity as I can. How much evidence do we now need to prove emphatically that we are a banana republic? I really want to ask this. The evidence is coming like an avalanche. And I really don't want to put the blame on politicians or VHP or opposition parties or media or you or me, because everyone is in it. I want to put the blame on the Honorable Supreme Court. You know why? Because if at all there is one institution remaining in this country where we have some semblance of faith right now, it is the Supreme Court. And I find it woefully wanting for two reasons. Number one, and this is so astonishing, it is absurd to even mention it. How on earth can the Faizabad Bar Association bar any lawyer for representing the accused? It is not only illegal, it is violative of the Supreme Court 2011 judgment, and it is criminal as well. Not only have they said, we will not represent any accused, we will punish anyone representing them with a fine of 5 lakhs. Where is the Supreme Court? Where is the law in this country? How dare any law associate? This is a fundamental right of a citizen. In this country, you are innocent until proclaimed guilty. You have a right of legal representation.
Absolutely, I do not subscribe to anybody not getting legal representation, and that is not the way to flex muscles. Certainly not.
Number two, thank you, Navika. Number two, the case why it is a banana republic. It was because of Supreme Court judgment that we have the Ram Temple out here. It is because of Supreme Court judgment that we have the Ram Trust out here. Where is the Supreme Court silent when you have brought damning evidence that Mr. Champat Rai knew that money has been siphoned off, some money was returned, and then 24 hours later he says everything is fine. How on earth can we now trust the SIT before the FIR was even filed? This is the case of a clear-cut banana republic right in front of us, live and streaming.
Well, absolutely, questions don't go away. Sanjay Jha.